When we are in HSS1, we learn about the human development theories. They definitely come in engaged and ready to learn every single day. And they take opportunities, which is really, really fun because every day is kind of a new experience and I get to come up with new ways to teach them how to really take that information and apply it.
My favorite unit has been the children's development unit. We actually had robot babies. It definitely made me think about children and how they act and things like that.
I would say personally this class has introduced me to a lot of different opportunities, as well as it's made me more outspoken, and with regular classes you just don't get those opportunities as much, and it has just helped me learn about myself and a lot of other people too.
I think what makes us different is all the projects that we get to do. Right now we're working on a children's book and we're gonna go out to read it to the elementary schools. And that's not something I would get from, my regular English math class.
The hands-onness of the class has been life-changing for me.
When my students start to click and understand it, they'll come and they talk to me and they'll be like, oh my gosh, Miss Clark, I had a classmate that did this and I understood a little bit more why they said that or responded that way because we've been learning about these theories. So they're actually applying the things that they're learning